Hey guys, this is Carissa from Creative Green Living again, and I am still in Phoenix at the Creativation Industry Expo for creative products and creative industries. And yesterday I showed you guys a brand of paint you'd been asking me about. I actually found their people in their booth, and they came and they talked to you guys about toxicity in their products on camera. And then today I am at the Plaid Crafts booth, and I wanted to show you guys have been asking me a lot of questions about chalk paint and also about glitter, and then I had some questions about chalkboard paint today, and so I wanted to show you guys some of the products that they have here. I've had a lot of really extensive conversations with this company about lead and about toxicity and VOCs and things that are in their paint that I don't want in my paint, that I know a lot of you don't want in your paint. And this is one of my favorite companies to work with. So this product that's behind me is their chalk paint line, and I'm going to just flip this around. And this is their chalk paint line, and they have a new product coming out called the Home Decor Texture Chalk, but they have a regular chalk paint line. It's just called FolkArt Home Decor Chalk Paint. And this paint is totally lead-free. All of their paints are made at their factory in Georgia. They're lead-free, they're VOC-free, they're water-based, and they're non-toxic, and I love that. And so any of these chalk paints from this company, I would feel really good about recommending to you guys as a great non-toxic DIY option that you guys can use. So I'm just showing you some of the examples here at the booth of some of the really cool stuff that they have got going on here. And let's walk over and check out, there's some chalkboard paint that I wanted to show you guys against this wall. So I'm going to flip you guys around and show you the chalkboard paint that is over here. So this FolkArt line is a line from Plaid Crafts, and down here we go. So this is their chalkboard paint. So that same thing's going to apply. This paint's going to be lead-free, VOC-free, phthalate-free. This is made at their factory in the United States in Georgia. So for people who were asking me about chalkboard paint this morning, this FolkArt chalkboard paint is one that I would definitely recommend to you. And and you can see the whole chalk paint line over here. So these are all the other chalk paint lines. These aren't just the textured chalk that I was showing you. They have all kinds of pretty colors. They also have this coastal paint line, which is really textured. When you look at the sample over here, like it's got like that super shabby chic texture to it. So people who are really into the shabby chic thing, that a lot of times before they become aware of toxicity, they start buying authentic lead painted pieces from the 1930s, 40s, 50s. You can get that same look with their paints, with their chalk paint and their coastal paint, and you can even mix the two of them together and use them on the same project. So you can that really beautiful look of like age and patina without having to worry about bringing a lead painted item into your home and worrying about poisoning your children. So thank you for hanging out with me in here today. Please ask me any questions that you guys have. If you have a specific type of paint that you guys are looking for, ask me about it in the comments, and then I will I'll come up with links and do my best to like get that information to you guys, because we definitely want to be empowering you guys to be able to do your crafts and your DIY without having to worry about toxicity in your home and in your environment and making your kids sick. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.